Hey guys, how you doing today? It's me, I'm back. Today I'm actually gonna do something a little bit different today. Instead of doing a what's in my bag, I'm actually gonna do an unboxing. I recently purchased a Louis Vuitton Monogram Alma bag, a vintage one, and I had ordered it from Tracy, which is a consignment, like online consignment store. So they only, they'll sell like designer things, authentic things. And this actual piece I got from Japan. And Japan is known for, they have a lot of luxury goods that you can purchase that they actually authenticate there. They are part of the counterfeiting, so they're like no counterfeiting. They don't sell anything that has they're basically against like counterfeiting and things like that. So anything that's not authentic, they won't sell. So this actual company that I got my purse from is part of that organization. So I was, very happy about that, kind of confident about my purchase. And so now it's finally here. It took a little while. It took about, let's see, today, probably about 2 weeks. Yeah, it took about 2 weeks for it to come here because it does have to ship from Japan, but that's fine with me. Wasn't really in a rush. But yeah, this is my first Alma. The Alma bag was actually made, it was a bag that Louis Vuitton had made for Coco Chanel. And so that has a rich heritage going back. So it's another one of the classic pieces in addition to the Speedy. So it's the one that I wanted to have in my collection as I started my LV collection. So anyway, so let's open it up and we'll see what it is, okay? And how it looks and what kind of condition it's in. So I just received it today. It came in just like, just a shipping box. So I'm gonna open it up. It has paper wrapping, so let's kind of get it out of here and see what we got going on. Right. So they got it nicely wrapped in paper, and when I open it up, and this is gonna be in the PM size, okay? So it's nicely wrapped. It's actually in plastic wrapping. When it comes in plastic wrapping. Now keep in mind this is a pre-loved item, so I try to look for, when I'm looking for a pre-loved item, one that doesn't have a lot of wear, but when it's vintage, especially with the Vanetta of the leather here, it tends to get spots, water spots, things like that. So those are kind of things sometimes you can not avoid in just the kind of leather that it is, okay? So anyway, I'm going to open it up and look at the condition of it. Okay, it has some fuzzies on it. So this one actually is in really good condition. The canvas is all in really, really, really spectacular condition, as you can see here. So I'm really happy about that. Like I said, there is some wear on the leather itself, some water stains and different things like that, which I don't really mind. I'm actually going to personalize mine. I think I'm gonna have mine painted. I don't know if you've ever seen before, but some Almas, they'll have them different color painting. So I was thinking about getting mine like a black or something like that, darker for the handles. But for now, I think I'm gonna get a bandeau, a Louis Vuitton bandeau, so that I can cover my handles. And it'll just be kind of like decoration as well. I got mine is if you get one that's before 93, made before 1993, it doesn't have these loops, but this one was made afterwards. I'm gonna check the date code right now though, but the Alma come with the loops, so that the extra rings, so that you can put a crossbody strap. It has the two zippers, and this one did not come with a lock, okay? The inside looks immaculate. Like, it is gorgeous on the inside. No pen marks, no makeup, nothing. It looks like brand new. This one had it came at a time, I believe, that had the little cell phone pocket when cell phones were this small. Anyway, but I probably just gonna put my my key holder in there, and it has the slotted pocket. I think now it has the zipper pocket, and it doesn't come with that cell phone pocket, of course. All right.